Taking a look at one of the latest machines, the WL500FA1. Now, as you can see here, this is specialized for bundle cutting, and it can hold in this particular fixture up to 91 48mm tubes, which is incredible. Now, something else I need to point out is this specialized fixture can hold the bundle on 6 sides to keep it positively in place for perfect cutting every time.
The specially designed bundle guides makes this machine very easy to load your material safely and effectively.
Another key feature for this machine, great for bundle cutting, is it also has precision feeding. Now it's precise up to 0.1 mm. It will feed the material perfectly to give you nice cut pieces for secondary processing.
The combination of linear guides on the saw bow and the specialized bundle vices makes for fast, accurate cutting. The specialized front vise holds the cut materials in place for easy removal, either by hand or automation.